Can you walk to me? Will you walk to me?
You get it?
Come walk to me, Charlotte. Walk to me. Yay, Charlotte, good job!
Let's do it again. Ready?
Charlotte, walk to me.
Alright, go.
Almost.
Ready?
Come walk to me.
Go.
Oh. Come
Ready?
walk to me.
Go. You're not sure which way to go. Here, come on, let Daddy fix your pants. That might help. Alright, ready?
Come walk to me. Oh. She needs your balance first.
Ready?
Is the problem.
Alright, ready? She just starts taking off. Alright, stand still. Stand still.
You goofy girl.
She's like, what are you doing to me? Ready?
Oh, you got Boogie.
Ready? Go. Ready?
Can't run yet,
Go.
babe. Yay, Charlotte! Almost.
Oh.
Almost.